Today we will introduce how Sunlonge SL3600 UV dye detect links on auto AC system. The full sets include SL1200 UV flashlight, protective glasses, SL3600 AC UV dye, UV dye injector assembly. First, we will inject UV dye into the injector. We have had it ready. Then collect the injector assembly with low side AC fitting that's located at the low side. The cap may be labeled with letter L. Take it off. Now we collect the dye to the valve inside the fitting. And inject dye into the system. Then we will start the engine and then run the AC system. Let it run on maximum for 30 minutes or more. Scan the suspected area with UV light. You just need to look for glowing substance. The glowing site is where links are linking from.